Good evening, everyone. I hope y'all have had a great Saturday and had a great holiday week. Hope each of you had a great Thanksgiving. It's been kind of a soggy Saturday here across central Mississippi. Not everyone has seen the rain, but here in the city of Jackson, we've had scattered showers ongoing throughout much of the afternoon. We'll put this in loop here over the past 6 hours. You can see just not widespread, but scattered showers continuing throughout the day. We've got some good downpours here at the station throughout the afternoon. And as we look at Live IMAX 12 now, a lot of that activity is east of Interstate 55. Do have some showers down here south of the metro, right in Hazelhurst and Crystal Springs. A couple of downpours in Hinds and Rankin counties, but most of us are dry. If you look off towards the west, this is going to be the rain that moves through later tonight. Here's how much rain we picked up today. Portions of Madison County over an inch, the same for Hinds and northern Rankin. About an inch of rain in some of these areas. Generally, the further south and east you are, the less rain you've seen. In the Pine Belt, not much rain at all to speak of. A couple of sprinkles here and there, but for the most part, dry. That is going to change tonight, though, because here's our next weather maker. This cold front, it's going to move towards the south and east. You can already see this line of showers right ahead of that cold front. That's going to move through as we head into Sunday morning. So throughout this evening, continuing with just a couple of those scattered showers, but then here comes that line. This is going to be more widespread rain. Everyone will see this rain tonight. Scattered showers, not going to be a washout all night, but this line is going to move through into our northwestern counties around midnight, continuing to move towards the city of Jackson as we're heading into early Sunday morning, further to the south and east. Now, the good news for Jackson, it does look like the bulk of this rain is going to be towards our south and east by the time we get to sunrise. So if you're heading out to worship services tomorrow morning, take that umbrella with you, but for the most part, I am expecting mostly dry conditions. Now, further south and east, down towards the Pine Belt, this line is going to be slower to move through your neck of the woods, so you definitely will need that umbrella for worship tomorrow if you're going out to worship or going to brunch, because those showers are going to likely persist through midday and even a couple left over into the afternoon as well. But for now, you can see we've got the wet sidewalks and the wet road there in Pearl. Temperatures holding in the upper 50s in Jackson, 56 degrees, 57 in Vicksburg and Hattiesburg, the low 60s in Natchez and Macomb. A little warmer there because y'all have not seen the rain just yet. All of us tonight dipping into the upper 40s for most, near 50 in Hattiesburg. Now, I do want to point out, with that cold front, it is going to move through our northwestern counties quicker. Of course, it would since it's moving from the northwest to the southeast, that colder air is going to move into our northwestern counties just a bit quicker. So I still am expecting the upper 40s here in Jackson, low 40s likely in Yazoo City and Carthage, 46 in Vicksburg, 49 for Columbia. Again, with those showers right along that frontal boundary from that line of showers. Tomorrow, a lot like it's going to be cooler in the low 50s. Now, we'll start out with the rain in the morning, but I am expecting mostly dry conditions by the afternoon. 51 in Jackson, 56 in Hattiesburg, 49 in Yazoo City. Now, once we get past tomorrow morning, yes, most of us will be dry with the exception of the Pine Belt, but more rain is going to move in as we head into Monday. So let's track that out. Here's this front that's going to move through Sunday morning, bringing that line of showers. You can see most of that activity off to our south and east by the afternoon. Clouds continuing, though. Here's that low pressure system to our south. It's going to meander up towards the north and east, and with that, you're going to see more widespread rain once again. Plenty of moisture moving up from the south. Widespread rain expected late Monday night into Tuesday morning. You'll notice as that low pressure system moves off towards the east, the rain moves quickly with it. So really, by the time we get to Tuesday morning, expecting mostly dry conditions. So we're going to get some much needed rain, but it's not going to bring us an all-day washout on any one day. It's not going to wash out Sunday, Monday, or Tuesday. And then past that, we'll have drier weather for Wednesday and Thursday. Rainfall amounts are going to be the highest the further south you are. South of Interstate 20, 2 to 3 inches of rain is possible. Now, this is not just from what I'm expecting tonight. This is the rain that would move in on Monday, late Monday into Tuesday as well. 2 to 3 inches south of the metro. Further north, about 1 to 2 inches is expected. Could have some locally higher amounts. We will be watching for the potential for some flash flooding, but overall, generally just expect 1 to 3 inches of some much needed rain. Behind the front, cooler temperatures. Upper 40s by Monday, mid to upper 40s on Tuesday. Warming, though, as we head towards the weekend. Before we get to the warmer temperatures, though, let's talk about these low temperatures, because the upper 30s will return by Monday morning, mid-30s by Tuesday, below freezing for most of central Mississippi by Wednesday morning, and just like those high temperatures, low temperatures warming right back up to the upper 30s by Thursday, likely will be in the 40s by Friday. Temperatures continuing to warm heading towards the weekend. So, if you look at this 8-day forecast, 70% chance of rain on Sunday, 70 on Monday. 70% on Sunday is for early Sunday morning. AM rain. It's likely going to be, most of it will be over as we head towards sunrise. But then as we head towards the afternoon, the Pine Belt, y'all will still be dealing with some rain. For Monday, late Monday evening into early Tuesday, best chance of some widespread rain. Drier throughout the day on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. By the time we get to Thursday night, rain returns once again, lasting some into Friday as well. And those temperatures dipping to the 40s by midweek. Low 30s waking up on Wednesday morning, warming right back up into the 50s, though, as we head towards next weekend. So it may look like a rainy forecast, but we're not expecting a washout on any one day. Thank y'all for watching here on Facebook as well as YouTube. We'll be on the CW tonight at 9, WJTV at 10, and I'll be back tomorrow evening with your next web weather update. Thank y'all for watching.